Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And today we're here to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And happy holidays if you celebrate a different holiday.
We're so glad that you came along with us this year, and we really appreciate all the love, kindness, and support that you've given us.
We hope you've enjoyed our videos, and we hope to see you come along with us in the coming year. We hope to have some exciting stuff in new locations to share with you.
Some really new locations. So wait until the new year when we'll give you some announcements and some interesting news. Until then, bye for now.
Bye for now.
Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And we're out in the forest doing something special today. What are we doing, Corinne?
We're here at Summit Park in northern Utah, not too far from Salt Lake City. And we are doing some snowy forest scenes.
Yes, we've been trying to get some snowy forest scenes done for a while, and we've been fairly unhappy with the results. This has turned out to be absolutely beautiful. In fact, we set ourselves a goal today, and that was to try to shoot the perfect Christmas card. So one we're trying to shoot is with the evergreen covered in snow, and the other ones we're trying to shoot is the birch trees or aspen trees set off against the beautiful evergreen background.
Yeah, we've been having some trouble finding some good evergreen groves. We got some snow last night where we are, so there's still some snow on the branches, which makes it all the more lovely. So we're very fortunate this morning, and we're seeing what we can come up with in terms of that ideal little forest grove or Christmassy winter scene.
Winter scene, yeah. So anyway, we're working hard. We've already been taking some shots, and to tell you the truth, we've already hiked about a mile up the hill, so we're beautifully in the forest, and it's time to get started.
Okay.
So Corinne and I are currently working on this view right now. It's a series of smaller pine trees that are framing the pine trees in the background that are just starting to get some light on them. It's actually quite a pretty shot. It's just really trying to figure out a good composition to enhance sort of the light on the trees, and then use the shadows to sort of, again, highlight the trees that are in the front. So right now, I'm trying to do sort of a longer a portrait style shot right at the moment. These would be for cards that are kind of long and skinny, and it's working pretty well. It's a lovely shot. I'm just kind of waiting for the light to fill in the back a little bit, give me a little bit more to work with.
So we've climbed up a trail, probably, maybe half a mile, but it seems like a mile for the altitude and the steep hill. It'd probably be easier if we had snowshoes today, but we're just slogging up in our hiking boots. And we found a little grove of aspen trees just over here behind us, doing a few shots with those. There's some side lighting on the trunks, and we are getting the trunks with the darker background of the evergreens. So we'll share with you what we've composed.
We found this absolutely beautiful little scene here with these aspen trees. And what we're doing is we're trying to create good separation for the trees that are really well lit, and then frame them against the darker background. It's absolutely gorgeous. Also makes a really nice winter photograph, especially if you want to make either a square version of this or a portrait version of this. Often really, really beautiful. The key to the composition is two things. One, light on the birch trees and darkness in the background. And the second thing is you got to have separation between the birch trees. And in this particular shot, we have them growing up virtually perpendicular, or I'm sorry, parallel to each other, and they're perfectly straight. So it really makes them quite lovely. After we got home, we took some of the nicer shots, especially the ones that we liked, and we converted them into Christmas cards. It was a lot of fun putting them into Photoshop and adding some embellishments. Here are the results of those attempts. We sure hope you enjoy them, and we hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Well, that was an interesting day, Corinne. Lots of hiking to take a few photographs. What do you think?
Weather was good, sunlight was good, so I think it was a good exercise. I mean, it was a short time because it got bright fast.
Yeah, so we only had about half an hour, 45 minutes to shoot, but I think we got some nice shots. I'm pretty happy with what at least what it looks like in the back of the camera. Talk about it a little bit more, or I've already talked about them a little bit more. You've probably already seen them already, and but I think overall it was a pretty good day. Well, we sure hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, please.
And if you'd like to see more of our videos, we sure hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button down below. We'd appreciate it, and we really are grateful to everyone who has subscribed already.
And also remember that we're releasing more videos more frequently and at different times. I'm sort of experimenting right now. So if you want to be notified when a video is released, hit that little bell button. And remember, you can personalize it. You can see some of our videos, or you can see all of our videos.
And don't forget to write us a comment or ask a question. We'll tell you more about the location or camera settings or anything you might like to know. Just put it in the comment section below.
Until next time, bye for now.
Bye for now.